What's up, guys? It's me, the game, to go back again with someone new. Person, I like. It's like they could hear me. Like, say hello in the chat, other person. Come on. I see. It's like they could hear me or something. Now, if I go through this door, close that. And look at me, I'm flying. Other person go outside. But oh hi, potato for my skit. I'm flying. I'm fly. Why are you going into a wall? Oh, bye. Wow, can't even get me. Yeah, it's like if I can't glitch back in or anything. Oh, come on, glitch back in for the view. Come on. I'm gonna pause for a while. Alright, I think she's gonna get me. Look at that guy. Look how big he is. He's fat, but look how angry with those eyebrows. No, but this time I'll stop it after I should have stopped myself. Alright, now. Time to find the green key card, find the orange one, two. Now I'm gonna beat up everybody, hopefully don't get to. Now. I'm gonna cut until we get to the store. So, what did I say? I said I'll be back in distorted memory. Did you guys not trust me? And Mr. P almost got me. Mr. P almost got me. He. I don't know why I'm singing. Classic book 2. Classic. Oh, hi, Mr. P. I mean, Weasel. This is the new map. Yo, my name is Bob. Oh, I'm busted. If you don't look here, I'm busted. Everyone just does this thing until like I come along and they always bully me. How you see there's no power-ups? And you see this is here. I'm on the real Medora. These piggy tokens. Not tokens, coins. I can't be shot. You could see all the maps in the distance. And there's this guy. Please enjoy my skits. Okay. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. How I love you and all my presents. Give me all the presents. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Give me all your presents or I'm gonna rip your neck off. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. I want a pickle, okay? Christmas tree, where's my pickle? Did you lie? My pickle, my dream come true. Hi, little pickle. Ah, it's attacking me. Where'd the pickle go? There's a pickle! It's coming! Ah! No, I'm the pickle. Oh, come on. Why am I in jail? All I did was steal the entire bank. Well, you should have thought before you stole a bank. At least you get to keep the money. Oh, wow, thanks. Wanna know something, Bob? Wanna know something? I'm all powerful. And wanna know what that means? What? I am awesome. Heh, 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 heh. There he is. Boom, now I'm buff and tough and I can break open the flipping cake. Big bang. Bang, big bang. Boom, boom. I do like that. If you know what I mean. I now go in there. That's why, Officer Poe. Officer Poe, go in there. And stay in there. That's why now you me. Actually, I kind of want to join you. Two criminals, we love prison. And we are now to beat each other. Oh, you want one of these? And I want another one of these. And another one. Time to confront Mr. P. I like chocolate. Alright, serious face. Oh, I'm gonna ask this guy if he could open it. Even though it's already open. Hi. Yo, what's up, Bob? I'm Dill Pickle 122 and let me in. It's open. Let me in. Alright. Can you pay me now, Dill Pickle 122? I mean the Gaming Pickle, because I don't work for free. You can't just hire me to be your friend and then just force me to do all these things. Okay, I want payment. Wow, I'm running for my life. I'm running for my life. I'm in the same room as you. You know that, right? Wanna know something, bub? I'm gonna make you jump, and if you don't jump, I am magical. Wait, you jumped, so I'm not magical. Never mind, it's opposite way around. How am I jumping? No, 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 no. I don't like to jump. No, no, no. Ha! Since I am so magical, I'm gonna make you disappear. Boom! Ha! Yep. Yep. I'm just that cool. Just that cool. The time of hacking is safe. It's safe. Okay. Come on, Bob. Come on. Wow, I even made the game be able to show me cutscenes. A round of applause. Oh wow, what he did. Slim in his face. He knows nothing now. All I can remember is that I slammed him in the face twice. With one, a punch in the face. One of the pro piggy tactics. If it's not, you vent to near the first vent, and if it's not the first vent, you have to do this. The piggy will think he works every time. And all it does is just freeze some room. And then what you obviously do an awesome do to the end of coming at me. And he thinks that's one non-smart pig. And if you're a fan, I'm sorry. Goodbye. And also, if I don't hit like 50 subs at the end of the year, guess what? Nothing. But if I don't hit 1 sub at the end of the year, he just saw me, but what do? I hide. Pro piggy tip. Never hide in the basement. You're going to get easily cornered. Another pro piggy tip. Never try and juke a pig in the red tea room. I do it because I'm a pro. You do it, you 100% dead. Close that door, you better run. Close that door, you better run. So you guys don't really like me, so I'm just gonna leave. Look at this guy. Looks good. 14 subscribers, huh? Wanna know what you should do to this guy? Wanna what? You should hit that. You should hit this button. Yep. I hear his goal is to make it to 100 subscribers. Yep. If you want to help this guy out, click the subscribe button and then like his videos. It helps get shared around YouTube. Oh look, he even made some good videos. Yep. Really good videos. Like, look how cool this guy looks. He even likes the Weatherstorm. Me too. He even likes Piggy. Me too. Look, let's go back to my first ever and most liked video. Because I want to see if you guys can get more views in that video. Oh look, here it is. It was 2 years ago. Thinking it was on Slime Ranch, and that was me. That's me, right there, when I was teensy. So I want to know what you guys do? Oh look, Slime Rancher, Party Crate, and oh, that's the title. Oh, no, that's the, doesn't matter. We should hit this button, share. You should share everything. All of these, especially Facebook. Well, anything. You could share on anything. You could add a comment. You should really hit the like. 48 views. That must be. And I'm surprised those 48 did not hit the big red sub button. If I was them, I would hit the big red sub button. But also back down memory lane, I still film my friend Omega Cougar 68 videos. Yep. 24 views my first video. It's all about Slime Ranch, 14 subs. Yep. You should obviously watch all my videos, hit the like button, sub, hit the bell notifications, like 48, 24, even 10 and 16. What else can we get? 23, 10. Not the 2 views ones. Well, I would be happy if I get views. Not this vid. No. It says no views. No, we can't accept that. We have to have things like this. 48 views.